Hello, discrete math fans. Let's take a look at this block of Python code. The question we want to ask about this is, what will it print at the end? What we have here is a triply nested loop, and the only thing that we execute on the inside of the loop is to increment this count variable. So we want to know, essentially, how many times are we looping through this innermost loop. So it's going to print out the total count of how many times we went through this triply nested loop. Now, before we can really answer this question, we have to know, what does range 10, 30 mean? Now, in Python, range 10 to 30 means to start at 10 and end before getting to 30. So that means that when we go through that outermost loop, the last value for that loop variable is going to be 29. So if we want to count how many times the outer loop executes, all we have to do is 30 minus 10. Now, how about the second loop? Now that executes over something that's written as range 15. That means start at 0 and end before getting to 15. So that second loop is going to execute 15 times each time it runs. All right, now the innermost loop, that executes over range -3 to 5. That starts at -3 and ends before getting to 5. So that means that innermost loop executes over the range from -3 up to 4. That's 8 times. And as a general rule, we can say that a Python loop over range m to n will execute n minus m times. And keep in mind that this is different from the formula that we came up with earlier when we counted the number of elements in a list. And it's different because these Python loops are not including the last number. The interval is not inclusive. So this Python program should print out 2,400. And we get that by computing 30 minus 10 times 15 minus 0 times 5 minus a -3. Okay, that's all for now.